everyone, it's Marky. Today let's talk about this white ceramic vase that I got. I got this just for home decor because I think that the style of it is so pretty and minimalistic and kind of has that boho vibe. It is a matte coating, but it does have, if you can see, these little black flecks in it, which I think is really pretty. It looks great with like pampas grass or any kind of stems that you would like to fill it with. I've even just had it on its own, sitting with other decor, and it looks really, really pretty. It's a decent size. It is 7 inches by 6.7 inches. So it's not too big. It's kind of just something that's not gonna take up way too much room, but more just a little accent piece. I've had this for a few months now. It's held up really well. It's actually been dropped once. It didn't break. So it's pretty sturdy. It is lightweight, but like I said, didn't break, which was great. I think this would be really pretty as like wedding centerpieces too. I just think that you could do a lot of things with it to make it really pretty. I think that this is just an awesome choice if you're kind of in that bohemian style or the minimalistic style. You just want a little accent piece to go with other decor. I think that this would be a perfect choice. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.